Spencer. What? Yeah. Stay here. Be right back.
I cannot believe we let Noel bring us here. Do you think she's even coming?
I don't know. When I saw that it was him instead of Allie, I thought for sure this was a trap.
Probably is, and we're just sitting here like geese.
Ducks.
What?
You sit like lame ducks, not geese.
Okay, well, whatever. They both quack.
Geese honk.
Why would Allie trust Noel Connor? Because he has secrets, too. I want to hug you and slap you at the same time. I could use a hug. I'm glad you're here, Spencer.
Why? I'm the one you can't trust.
I need your help. You know, let the cops know that I'm not the one they buried. They're going to start looking again. Until I know who A is, I can't come home. Allie, we think your mom's the one who stole the game from Mona. We think she's hiding. You don't seem surprised. It's complicated, and I've never figured out the right way to tell you what you need to know. I've never been able to say the words out loud. Why don't you start at the beginning? I'm ready to tell you guys everything. But if we can't figure it out tonight, I'm gonna have to disappear again. And this time it's gonna be for good.